Hey everyone, it's Kerwin and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about daylight saving time here in Canada. Lalong-lalo na dito sa British Columbia. Brown ng paligid yan dahil hindi pa nagkukulay green yung mga halaman, halanganin pa sila. Pero pag spring na, puro bulaklak yan mga kadats ko, yung gilid. Ganda ng lake talaga. Tahimik siya ngayon. Hindi siya maalon. Ganda rin dito sa downtown ngayon, no? Parang mukhang malungkot lang yung paligid dahil makulimlim, tapos walang hangin, hindi mahangin pero malamig. Kasi ang kulay ng paligid brown, wala pang mga green na damo mga kadats, kundi pa nag-green yung mga halaman dyan sa gilid. Yan. Daylight saving time mga kadats good is a practice that affects millions of people across Canada, and in British Columbia it's no different. So what is daylight saving time mga kadats good, and why do we do it? As we mentioned earlier, daylight saving time is the practice of adjusting the clock forward by 1 hour mga kadats good during the summer months in order to make better use of natural daylight. The idea is to reduce the need for artificial lighting in the evenings, which can save energy and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. So, what can we do to adjust to the time change? Well, mga kadats good, there are a few things you can try. For starters, get outside and soak up as much natural light as possible. Even just a few minutes of outdoor activity mga kadats good can help regulate your body's internal clock and boost your mood. Another tip mga kadats good is to prioritize sleep. Make sure you're getting enough rest, especially in the days leading up to and following the time change. And if you need to take a nap to make up your lost sleep, go ahead and do it, mga ka-That's Good. So there you have it, folks, mga ka-That's Good. Daylight saving time in British Columbia can be a tricky transition. But with a little bit of planning and self-care, you can make the most of your extra hour of sunlight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, mga ka-That's Good.